Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix SS of Thunder gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if it's working. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, select default settings and move to the next method. Next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices. After that, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, launch Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check whether it's working or not. So go to Steam and here you can see the update option is available. You have to click on it and wait for some time unless the game is updated, and after that check whether gamepad is working now. If not, next method is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So in that situation, many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. You can try it once. If it doesn't resolve the issue, move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, check whether controller is working or not. Apart from this, there are some other troubleshooting tips. You have suggested to clear cache on Steam. So go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, go below, click on downloads, go below. Here you have to click on clear cache option. This will clear your local cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into your Steam account once again, confirm it, and after that log into it and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is to if you are using wired plug for a controller, then unplug it and then again replug it. Hopefully this will resolve the issue. Also suggested to use a big picture mode for SS of Thunder. So you are suggested to launch open Steam and after that here you can see big picture mode. Simply click on it and then launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. If yes, exit big picture mode and after that check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working in SS of Thunder game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.